Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. And welcome back. Good morning, Tomato, Iron. If there is no dark race today, it's all rigged. We're back in a bit. My phone is too slow to stream YouTube while trading. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Yeah, wait. Trade comfortable. Come back at the live stream whenever you're ready. Let's see the chart. You're speaking about awful chart, and I see it seems there is an awful chart. Good morning, traffics. Daily chart, still bearish day. Are we far from the previous day's low? Not really. We have their previous day's low here. Previous day's higher, further away. Ah, did I confuse? Why am I? Wait. This my. Why my daily chart in TradingView is different? No, it's the same. No, it's the same. So we're closer to the previous day's low than previous day's high. So I'm gonna see what we can do around that. We're gonna look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Took some little highs here, but not really. We have like an hour triple, but we're very weak on the downside. We might really come to these lows. Some support here around the 700. That is the same level we used yesterday. Look at the 700. So it's gonna be a target, a level that we're gonna take care, and we'll look what we can do around it. Let's see the 3-minute chart if something already is popping out. A lot support there. Does it wants to come back? We took some lows, some highs here, little ones, some fake flags there to the upside. This is a level here. This level here. Sorry, guys. Oh my God. I'm looking. This can be already a quick short here. Now, right now, I'm in Brazil, in this hotness of Brazil, man. Bogdan, what's up? Honestly, this is a quick short. This can be a quick short here. Short here. Does it wants to do like this quick short? That's honestly, this was a quick short there. As you know, you're in Brazil, it's snowing, man. Here is super hot. Hello, Dominique. No, man, I save money all the time. I'm a cheap traveler. I'm a cheap traveler. Even that, I spend more money that I was spending definitely more before, but I still save money. I don't travel fancy. I don't travel expensive. I like local food. I go to, if for example, I will go out and eat for $4 or $5. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend $40 for a meal. Time to change the title. No, man, it's still the title because I'm closer to blow up than payout. No. I mean, if you go to, it's not Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro, yes, but outside big cities, they are mostly more likely to help you. Your accounts are still good, but they need much more than this. I'm looking for a quick downside. Can I get like maybe a short here? I mean, I will risk it, to be honest. But let's see. Let's go, Sam Nabil. He's in a break. He's in a break. Holiday break. Live streaming is hard, guys. I have to admit, and I understand Iron. It's for us, for example, Iron is the difficulty of trading is not there. Taking action and take a trade is not a problem. It's really the live streaming. Sometimes it's hard. What do you think about 100K static account? Is it better to choose static than 100 full? To be honest, static account has the pro side of not having the drawdown moving at all, no matter what. but still, I would prefer a 50K account. I will do more a 50K account than 100K account, to be honest. This was a quick short. This was an interesting short. I think this was an interesting short to the downside, really, but did not have time to take it, that one. I just connected here. Literally, I connected at this candle opening to the downside. Yeah, I agree with, that's a very good point, Aaron. That's a very good point. What you just said there, it's very smart. As many people, many times we don't think about that, but that's very smart what you just said. I really like the short idea here. I could have been a little bit aggressive there. Risking, how much I was risking? $30 one contract to make 33. That was 1-to-1. I thought beautiful 1-to-1 risk reward there. Market opening in 34 seconds. Yeah, I agree with that. It's now what you just said, man. It's totally fair enough. It's a very good point, brother. I like what you just said there. And Nabil is shorting up to 650. That's a beautiful short. I'm looking as well to short. Maybe this market is gonna just rip to the downside. Well, let's leave it. Okay, it's not really. Oh wow. Okay. What the heck is doing? This market is insane. Tell me this market is not insane. Forgot what I said. I'm waiting for these payouts forever. Man, we already took these highs. Like, I swear to you, if this candle start to turn red, I might take a radio short up to these lows. I will do, like yesterday, one contract just to be in and undefined it. That's craziness. I mean, it's been a long time I have not gotten payouts, so my emotions are not there anyway. Crazy. We already took the previous here. Does it want to even go a little bit further? Do you have news today? Do we have news? News. Do we have news, guys? Tuesday, December 30, 9:45, Chicago Business Barometer PMI, and that's all. Tomorrow we have initial job claims, then we have holiday on Thursday, and Friday we're back. And the new year starts, 2026. Craziness. One more minute, guys, and we might start adding to some shorts here. I'm just looking to see how these first candles wants to evolve. $2 p.m. FOMC. I did not see any FOMC news, to be honest. Yeah, we have FOMC meetings, but there is no interest rate and there is nothing, so usually that's not that important. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Hello, Fayyad. Hello, guys. Dominic, oh, sorry, I'm new trading. Is Rithmic better than Tradovate? Or it doesn't matter? I learned the Tradovate and I don't know if it's better to stay or change it. It's honestly, both platforms are good. It depends which device do you have, and which, how do you like your platform. Like Tradovate is more user-friendly, like WealthCharts as well. They're web browser application, so you can connect to any browser you're looking for from Mac or Windows. Rithmic is more for Windows applications because you need to connect it to NinjaTrader or Quantower to have a better experience, because Rithmic application is not that good. It's nice to flatten your position. I have it always open, but the best is always have Quantower or NinjaTrader as a main application to trade on Rithmic. So it's a preference right now if what you really like. If it's if you like more, if you have a Mac, then stick with Tradovate or WealthCharts. If you have a Mac, stick with one of these two. If you have a Windows, then you can think about using Rithmic and connect Quantower, like this. The application I have on right now is Quantower. If not, or NinjaTrader. It's true that NinjaTrader can be connected as well to Tradovate. Tradovate as well allows you to connection to TradingView. If you like TradingView, you are like loving TradingView. TradingView can be connected to Tradovate, not to Rithmic. So it's up some positive and negative side on both sides, the copier and stuff like that. I think it's up to you deciding which one is probably the best option for you, depending on your situation. Which device do you have? How do you like your platform to be? Rithmic is a bit more complicated because it allows you to have NinjaTrader and Quantower. That's a little bit more complicated, but great platforms. Tradovate is a bit simpler, but a great application as well. Yeah. Well, nothing, guys. For the moment, we're gonna let it go up to probably pre-market highs. Let's try and look in there. I put a video about which one is the best. In reality, I don't say any one of them is the best depending on your situations. There is a video about that in my channel. I think it's the second best view video around. Let me see. I can show to you. Here we go. I should honestly update all these videos because there are so many new features added in. Yeah. This is the video. We might go to pre-market highs. We have a lot of points there. We didn't sell, but the market feels heavy. Thanks, you're welcome. Trading has been a challenge, I would say. It goes well some period, and it goes. Last week was horrible. Then I get close to payout. Then it goes back bad again. It's pain in the ass, huh? Guys. I might add enter like a short here. One contract. What the heck? Did you see that candle there? Did you see this candle, guys? How it spiked? Am I delayed that much? Did you see that candle, guys? How the heck it spiked there? I don't think I received that email, to be honest. Let me check. But don't panic, guys, about that email. Just provide information. Just put some screenshots. But not for me, because I didn't make that much money on the first. My accounts are totally old, 100 days, and I did not request payout since February. I think the payout is more like people that are making a good amount of money the first days, and they're like, okay, send us the strategy to understand how you trade. But I will not panic, guys. Just provide information. Takes 5 minutes, and you're good. I might add one more contract if we start to close lower here, guys. If not, this is $160 loss. It's fine. If we start to close lower, I will add and move my stop loss probably. Let's see. Take profit will be the previous day's low. Yes, it's not helping us, but that's definitely interesting situation right now. I think your short is still valid. I like the short idea. Right now we are around the 700 level, and if we start to sell off around it and don't hold it anymore, definitely the next previous day's low, it's looking great. Right now I need some closure below. We need to break these lows and don't hold them anymore. We have this low here in pre-market, I believe. This is, yeah, pre-market low here. So we have to be careful if this one wants to be retested or this becomes liquidity. It's trying right now. I'm gonna put the level just to have it. Did we do it in NQ? Yes, we've taken it out in NQ. We have taken it out in NQ. Let's see. I might be aggressive today. Can we break and continue lower? I need some candle closing lower to add to this position. Look at how much it's dragging right now. I might close this position, guys, there in break even, and then look for another entry because this is not even my an amazing setup. No, we're gonna keep the loss. $160. I accept it. I'm not gonna touch it. Whatever he wants to do, we'll do. A lot of choppiness there. Okay. Start selling off. Come on. Start selling off more than this. Dump it. Habibi, welcome to Brazil. Can we dump it, guys? The good side is I'm risking very low on this trade. Now that $160, it's a very good loss. And I'm aiming for 2 to 1 risk, 1 to 2 risk reward. So if I take this trade here, up, I'm risking here to make this amount, hopefully, and it's 2.1 risk reward. Wow. Now we've taken previous market lows. Morocco is great, man. I think Morocco have good chance to win. Let's see. I'm not watching the matches, but Morocco is in a very good position to win the African Cup. Can we close below the pre-market lows? Right now is not doing it. Is not doing it. So much choppiness, guys. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, or at least up to these highs. Not sure, to be honest. I don't want this to revert me on a pre-market low. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I don't want this to reverse me on a pre-market low. Especially with this choppiness, that's crazy. Look how many weeks. Too much weeks there, guys. Yeah, my stop loss in break even is fine. I will find another entry because this is ugly as hell. I just want a closure below. Come on, 680. Can you break? I'm just waiting for this candle to close freaking low, guys. I reduced my size, close one contract there. Something that I usually don't do, but peace and love. I'm gonna let the rest run. But that is a good target. Morning, Mufti. Good morning. Can we now continue selling off? Mufti, are we gonna sell off or not? Mufti, tell me. Wow, break even. Wow, 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 wow. That was crazy. I don't know what's happening today, but the market is ugly. So I would say let's be careful. If I go to the 1 second chart today, on the second chart, I think everything happened. See, yeah, this is the 1 second chart. What the heck? And this was 1 second chart before as well. And this is 1 second chart as well before. You see it? And like I got filled here because I clicked market orders. I could have been getting filled here by a second. I'm gonna leave it the market for the moment, guys. This can still look short, but it's ugly as hell. Yeah. I can tell you about one guy, guys. He was trading gold yesterday, and he was trading mini contracts of gold, free contracts of gold, mini contracts of gold. With the gold volatility we have these days and silver, you can understand that this is an insane amount. And he was putting a stop loss. He had an auto liquidation from the system of $500. That means literally just a few points, you're out. And he was complaining that the liquidation was not stopping him exactly at $500, but was stopping him more. And his real stop loss was more than $500. I mean, what are you doing? If your normal stop loss should be the one saving you, and the liquidation of the system should be the one that saves your butt in the worst case scenario. No, he was using deposit. Man, the one needs to calculate the P&L, trigger the system, create an order before you get stopped out. Your order instead is already in the market, will stop you out. Some people are crazy. Guys, we saved ourselves from a stop out there. Let's freaking go. This could have been a long, by the way. That's funny things. Because NQ, ES did it, hold it, and went. I went to the sky. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This could have been a quick long. I don't know why I didn't take it that way, to be honest. It was quick realization, not easy, to be honest. I was still mostly short bias. So the idea of here taking longs was totally right. Pre-market low, we faked out all this flag of people trying to short. It did not work out. Here is now squeezing highs. And then my break-even was a good things. I was long would have been the best here. Easily a nice, beautiful trade there. But I didn't take it, so I'm not gonna complain about it. But this was a nice trade, guys. How much is the risk reward there? 2.25. That's a beautiful trade in like 1 minute. Wow. Wow, wow. That's beautiful trade, guys. This market is insane. Craziness. At least I take out my $50. Yeah, 1,300. Yeah, $1,312. Yeah, that's the funny thing is that with 20 funded accounts, we always forget about the power of the multiplication. That's the craziness of here. It's like I made $1,300, making $50 with one micro. One micro. We forget about that. It's okay, Fayat. It happens. I should have been more strong to take this long, but it's okay. We have to learn to adapt very quick to the market. For example, when I said here, it's good chance I move my stop loss break even because it can happen. It did happen very quick, but that was a beautiful setup. ES did it. Let's see what is doing gold right now. Gold. Gold looks more bearish than bullish, huh? Looks like he wants to break this flag. But to break that flag, we need to see something getting grabbed. And reject this support here would be nice. Will be nice. That's a good way for Fiat as well. I'm mostly trade only MNQ. Sometimes I took trades on gold, but gold until now has punished me. Gold has slapped my face. Gold has slapped my face so many times. So I'm like, okay, let's focus on gold. On NQ. Thanks, Fayaz, as always, for the support. Did you ever win Dark Race, Fayaz? Maybe you're unlucky. Now we are selling after taking these highs, but I would love to see these level not holding before taking any short. This is you can see the price below here. Yeah, oh, okay. Big respect for Andy. Because he gave it to the second, right? If I see this area not holding anymore, and it starts to candle closing below, I might look for shorts. Let's see. Let's see. Waiting for a trade. We're pushing nicely right now. Daily candle bullish. Let's see. Right now we are above pre-market. Yeah, pre-market low. Pre-market, we already passed it. Crazy. That's interesting. Wow, this market is insane. I don't know, but taking this was a beautiful long. I'm happy I decided to handle my stop loss today. Looking for the continuation of pre-market break. It should have happened quick, but instead it took its time. How is the daily candle right now that you said bullish? Bullish, still so far away from this. Let's see how it evolves right now with the pre-market highs. What does it want to do with these levels? Oh, we wait. Maybe we find a continuation long. If the real strength is upside, maybe we take a continuation long. This I think would have been a trade of Nick, something like this. This is it. This is the support, the flag fake out. He would have entered long somewhere here. think if Nick would have taken a long like here, or as well, yeah, I think a long here, Nick would have taken it. This is literally, this is like Nick setup. That fake flag here, and like somewhere here. I'm looking at what he was. Do you also invest in stock long term? I'm looking to. Oh my god, man, this is a really harsh question to my feeling. I wish I started investing at the beginning of this year when the tariff news appeared, and I was like, I'm gonna wait for some percentage more to drop down before taking some. Idiot, freaking idiot. I don't know what I was waiting for. I learned my lessons. I could just take some longs, and it's long term, especially if down 25% and I didn't take a long. I feel sick to myself. Thank you, Dominique. Have a great day. And if we don't see each other tomorrow, have a great new year, my friend. Thank you for coming. And for who is here, guys, 90% is there with Apex. Code is Hamza. It's my name, HAMZA. And I appreciate your support, guys. Right now, we'll look what we wants to do the market and see if we might jump on some shorts here on pre-market highs. That would be interesting. The hour candle closed very strong, but we will see. Because if these things start to sell off, I might just start to jump short and see how it evolves. Right now, this is the this is pre-market highs here. And we're selling. Oh, wow, okay. Okay. We're really selling off right now. If I take one contract just to jump in, $61 loss, aiming for these lows again, 127, it's still a 1 to 2 loss. Let me get in. Let me get in. Let me. I wanted to remove it, to be honest. I just saw yes, he's holding a level. It's okay. We're gonna keep it. And I see this 3 minutes candle how it closes, and then we'll figure it out. Open direction right now. Take longs, guys. I'm happy that we're closing nicely. We're trading already much below the pre-market highs. Even London highs here. We're already trading lower. So let's see how this candle closes. 30 seconds for it. Now it's holding this level. That's annoying. That's pre-market highs here on London session here. Closing just there on the levels. target limit will be I will take it to New York close here. What is the ICT trade? Don't insult me. Is it this ICT trade? Fair value gap? Freaking hell. Piece of crap. I'm gonna close the position. I don't like that I'm taking ICT trades. I prefer losing money. I prefer this trade goes to losing money. I'm gonna put my stop loss before I forget it. If we start to close even below this level, I might add one contract. It's still a 1-to-1 risk reward. Yes, like a little bit worse than 1-to-1, but still possible. Yes. Market is crazy, so we're gonna play crazy as well. Short this freaking push. But we're really closing below pre-market highs, London's highs. Price action is already below this level, so I'm playing this kind of cards right now. Let's see if right now the 730 level that was before a level. Oh my god, okay. Okay, it's holding right now there. Let's hopefully it breaks fast. Break fast. Break fast. Break fast. Break fast. Break fast. Wow. I want this to break fast. English. English. Break fast, break fast. I become ICT man. I have to accept my outcome of my life. Being an ICT idols. Love ICT. Love ICT. Love ICT. What's up, Zog? We become ICT people here. Welcome to ICT Landia. We love ICT. We love ICT. We love ICT. We love ICT. The moment we break this level here, I think we can. I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even because we are rejecting this level. Pre-market highs. I like it. I like it. And yes, it's weak as hell as well. The only problem right now is NQ breaking this 730. After this, we don't have anything. We can just melt down. Who loves ICT? I love ICT. Who loves ICT? We love ICT. Guys, remember, if you're new, please subscribe, leave a like to this video. And if you think to use Apex Trader Funding, 90% is there right now, called Hamza. If you don't think to use Apex Trader Funding, you're welcome to come here anytime, watch the live stream, trade whatever you want to trade, trade your money, your grandma money, your children, whatever you want to trade. ES is dropping. I like ES that is dropping nicely. He's making some red candles. I'm looking for this to continue lower. So I might even add one contract at this resistance if it wants to retest it. So it looks like interesting for me. I would like to see some closure below. But even here, I might even add one contract just to put some risk there in the game. $30 seconds, so maybe you're already closing lower. Look at that. So this means that as well our 5-minute chart had a nice red candles there. Yeah, look at this beautiful 5-minute chart. Beautiful wick above, beautiful sell-off there. That's beautiful right now there. It's definitely looking for more downside for me, but we're gonna leave it there. Even I can aim. Yeah, I mean, New York lows are good. We're already taking previous, yeah, I'm gonna keep them there. Hopefully, man, we pray for it. Easy and good setups. Support right now is there, still fighting for it. I'm waiting to add. If it comes back here, would be nice. Now it's closing lower. I mean, even closing lower, I'm making, if it, okay. That's $180 wins just trading one micro contract these days. That's crazy. Yesterday as well, we traded only one micro. Well, not more than that was needed in the end. If I add one contract here, I'm losing $106 and aiming for $90. Not the best one is reward there. Man, I was able to add to winning trades before. Especially I was adding to the winning trades. I think I was good before to add the winning trades, and that's why I was making very big wins days. But definitely you have to be really strong of handling any pullback and call yourself out, because you can add, and then it means pullback, stop you out, and then goes back to the direction. Oh, congratulations, Nabil. I was doing $10 since were the hardest things to do. It's always the last dollars amount, the hardest things to do. Always the last dollar amount. Good job, man. Really, adding to winners, it's a great skill, but it definitely needs a lot of psychological strength. So adding to winners, it's not easy at all. Very good, Nabil. Very good. Can we get this trade to the downside? Let's go, guys. One micro contract again. Not even risking that much. I love the fact that I'm risking only $60. Yeah, this trade on a normal risk day I had before would have been like, how many contracts? 4 contracts, risking 250 to make 540, but I'm okay with this. With one contract, I'm able mentally to handle it and trade very well. It's always like that, man. It's always like that. The last $10 amount is the craziest part, because the moment you enter long for looking for a tick, it goes back down and you start to average down and you're scared to gonna blow up. IPVG, man, no, never anymore. But also like Chu, so who knows? I mean, you were like Chu evaluation or Chu PAs? The Chu evaluation, at least it's 50-50. It's a great risk reward there. These things is melting down, guys. We might even look for more downside at the previous day's low if we want to be aggressive. Look at the hour chart, guys. Look at the hour chart. and look at how many people, imagine how many people went long on this hourly candle, very strongly bullish, thinking for this continuation. Imagine how many people did that. And right now they're getting wrecked. And this red candle here is moving fast to the downside. And let's see, pre-market lows there getting hit right now. But I don't calculate any more pre-market lows just because we're already taken them out. So I'm like, okay, I can aim for the next level. ES already took pre-market lows. Sorry, ES already took the lows of the day. That's annoying if NQ is gonna bounce from this. That's gonna be annoying. If NQ is gonna bounce right now because of ES, it's gonna be annoying, guys. ES already just took these lows of the day. Did not see that, but it's okay. As you see, ES already took it. So we are kind of, hopefully we can get a little bit more continuation. If this ES continues lower, means MNQ is gonna continue even lower. Can be dangerous. We like danger. We like danger. I think it's gonna be dangerous. I think the nice take profit would have been here the moment ES break the lows, would have been a good take profit to hit. Let's see what wants to put down. I'm getting more evals low. We're nicely closing low on ES. We're closing very downside in ES. So I think we're gonna look for more more push lower. I might get wrecked by this, but peace and love. Peace and love. Let me take a screenshot of this, a video. Live streaming as always, and we are right now in a short trade. Up $100, almost there, aiming for the lows of the day. Let's see how it goes. Maybe stop loss, maybe take profit. We leave it there. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna be a stop loss. I'm gonna grab some coffee, be right back. See you, tomato. I might as well leave soon. It's hot here. I'm gonna just maybe leave this trade how it goes. Because if the only things I'm thinking, if it comes back, I will add to this position. If it comes back here, somewhere here, I might take a short again and leave it there as a stop loss and leave it there as a take profit. Don't tell me what to do, Fayat, or I will punch you. Don't tell me what to do, guys. I always remind you, don't tell me what to do. My trading history for the last 5 years is minus $40,500. I mean, it's not that bad. I would say very good job. It's not that bad at all. Minus $40,500 is great. I can tell you, my friend, there are people down hundreds of thousands of dollars. And you're down only 3,500 is great, my friend. I can tell you right now, really, there are people down hundreds of thousands of dollars. Man, I went to the gym yesterday. It was so hard. It was so complicated. The gym here in Brazil are crazy. Don't give up. Man, I'm in 5 years as well of trading. This year was a break-even trade for me. I didn't make money. I didn't lose money. I will do a recap about this tomorrow. I will do a recap about my 2025. Compared to 2024, unfortunately, I did not make money. But, guys, I'm here trading, still able to trade. I'm not down hundreds of thousands of dollars of other people like you. You're down 3,500. It's a great amount of being. You're almost break even. You can evaluate yourself. And the good side of trading is the moment it turns on your side, you're gonna make that $3,500 in no time. Na 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 na. Can we get the short? Can we get the short, guys? Let's make some money. Nice ones. Oh yes, guys. Believe in yourself, guys. Oh, I almost closed the wrong order. Believe in yourself, guys. It's you're gonna get period where you don't think you can make it anymore. Just look at what you've done. Look at what you achieved. Look at the work you've done, and keep improving, keep pushing, keep learning. The trading is crazy because trading goes to pay you. That's what happens. This is everything in life, and it's not about trading. Let's, for example, take a stone. You have a stone, and then you have a little spoon, and you want to break the stone. And the stone is anything in your life you want to achieve. Trading, everything. And you take your spoon and you do tack. It doesn't work. Tack. It doesn't work. Tack. It doesn't work. Tack, 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 tack. For days, for weeks, for months, for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. And one day it breaks. What people will see outside of you, they will tell you, my God, you're lucky. You're making money from trading. You broke it. You made it happen. But they don't know how many times you hit the rock for the last many years. And then they will tell you, show me how you do it. And you tell them, this is a stone, this is a spoon, start doing it. And they will do it 5, 10, 15 times. And they're like, it's bullshit, it's not working, I give up. And success is that. Success in life comes from something that from outside looks that from one day to one day you made it, and it will feel that as well from yourself. You will be like, oh my God, now I'm making money. But in reality, you know that in background, you had months and years of work behind you. You killed the market today, Aaron. Guys, I'm gonna take this loss. I think I'm gonna get stopped out because Aaron just said that I killed it. This guy is gonna take me to a losing trade. I'm looking for the lows, Aaron. Can you give me the lows of the day, and then you can tell me that I killed the market? Unfortunately, I don't, just because of one, I don't like to watch the chart too much. Two, I work. I'm looking as well at the lows here. Oh, 608. What the heck? Which low is that? Oh, another day low there. Wow. Not even previous day's low. You're looking for even more lows. What the heck? Where I am? Ah, here. You're holding another buying gold. That's interesting. I mean, honestly, it's been a while I've not checked gold. Inshallah, good luck, my friend. No matter what, just follow your plan, your strategy, your stop loss. You know, you can have 2 beautiful wins and then this thing crashes, but it followed your strategy. You get stopped out. Peace and love. That's the trading. Is my friend. look at what is your weakness of this month. Look at what you think you've done wrong, and what you think it can be improved on the next trading days. Is it gonna be? Is your mentality? Is your psychology? That would be interesting to and then you evaluate. $10.23, guys. I'm honestly thinking. I was thinking to add here if it comes back that aggressively, and comes back to the. I should have taken profit here, to be honest. It does not make that much difference. $20, and I would be like already out on ES lows. But it is what it is. I'm gonna leave it there. Hopefully, guys, we're not gonna. Oh, but guys, okay. I think I'm gonna add. These things come back here. Stop loss. And then I'm gonna close the stream. And if you're new, guys, remember to subscribe. It's a small channel, but we're here every day trading, no days off. 80%, 90% we're there with Apex. Code Hamza is my name. You can use it as many times as you want. It supports the channels, and I appreciate each one of you guys that uses it. And if you don't use it because you don't use Apex, that's no problem. You're welcome to come here any day, every day, and chat about trading. Welcome to Discord. Discord is below free. You have, the moment you enter, you have to verify yourself. It's free. It's just for us to avoid bot people to enter in the chat, because they will start to send you so many messages and scam you. Okay, this thing is already coming back low. I'm gonna remove again the order. Selling off. Guys, what's up, Next Try Didi? What's up? Welcome back, man. You're coming the moment I'm leaving. I think I'm done. Long time Didi, yes. Long time Didi, yeah. Somehow it's like long time Daddy. Daddy? Daddy? Let's get it, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it right there. Welcome to Discord to see the end of results. I sent already the screenshot in the chat of Discord. For the rest, guys, I wish you the best. See you tomorrow live streaming again. Tomorrow live stream, it will be a bit longer because tomorrow I'm in a holiday, so we're gonna stream for a bit longer, have fun, chat. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. We'll figure it out. For the rest, have a beautiful time, guys. Enjoy your day. We'll see if this trade will be over in a good note or not. Have a good one, guys. Love you all.